TikTok has a new feature that allows you to see when your friends are online on the app. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the TikTok activity status feature. Now let's get started. To get to the activity status feature on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Privacy. Here you'll see an option for the activity status feature. To enable activity status, tap the switch to turn it on. When the switch turns green, activity status is enabled. When activity status is on, you'll be able to see when your friends who have activity status enabled are active on TikTok, and they'll be able to see when you're active. If you decide you don't want people to be able to see when you're active on TikTok, tap the switch again to disable activity status. When the switch turns gray, activity status is disabled. That's all it takes to enable or disable TikTok activity status. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.